Minister of Karamoja Affairs has just been charged with loss of public property, conspiracy to defraud in respect to the diversion of iron sheets meant for Karamoja. She has pleaded not guilty to the charges. She has also been charged together with the Senior Assistant Secretary at the Office of the Prime Minister and her brother. In the interest of justice, the DPP decided not to charge her mother because of advanced age. She's about 86 years old.
We heard that the Honorable refused her.
Prevented her from going to police.
Prevented her from making a statement.
Sorry?
That the Honorable Minister prevented her mother from making a statement.
Yes, we heard that from the police, and it was one of the grounds that was raised by the state to object to her grant of bail. So the Honorable Minister has applied for bail today, and the court is yet to consider the application. The case has been adjourned to next week for ruling.
The public would like to know.
What about other people who are alleged in this saga of iron sheets? Where are they? Are we seeing justice, or it is yes?
Is she the sacrificial lamb?
Not at all. This is not selective prosecution. What has happened is that the case is being handled in piecemeal. So this is just the first case file. So there's a case file in respect of each suspect, and the case files will be submitted by the police to the office of the DPP for consideration, as and when they complete investigations.
How set are you that the DPP's office to go on with the hearing of the case? How set are you?
For this particular case, investigations are still going on, but they are in advanced stage. So we are not yet ready to start the prosecution.
Where is the third accused in this case? That's Secretary of the Ministry.
Mr. Abaho.
Well, he seems to have had a family tragedy, and so he was not able to appear in court today. But the court has issued a criminal summons requiring him to attend court to answer to the charge.
Where is the minister being taken? Which prison? Do you know?
I cannot tell you the number of suspects now. All I can say is that we have a case file for each suspect or for each case.